What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. A woman, me no remember what she name, come deal with Annie wicked. This up Annie in the wickedest way, my people. You see me, I say Annie have young boy and a bunch of things. You see me, I say, and I saw it go still, my people, when you're there on top, You have all different type of people. I look at hype off of you. Them more go up on top too. And them feel like say them have to take you down or disrespect you to go up on top. So we are going to hear what the woman say and we are going to hear Annie respond to the woman. You see me, I say, we also have Shibada. You know what I mean? Shibada want to know the update on Trish. You see me, because them say Trish analyze himself, And Shibada said nothing no go so. So where is the setup? What go on with that? What go on with the planning of the funeral and them something there? See, we are going to hear what Shibada have said. There's some people also Shibada, I mean, address Annie. You see me? People, we're going to run through that injury quick and fast because there's a bunch of things. And me no remember who Shibada rush again. You see me? How Shibada rush again, man? Can't remember my people. But we have a lot to share. Seeing we also have Jabass, you know what I mean? I help Annie. This the woman we come for Annie. Is it? And as me say my people, enough of these persons will come after popular TikTokers, Not Annie alone and other TikTokers where them come off and try to get a stripe off of. All them want, a highlight, them not really have nothing against them some of the time, Some of them do have things against them. You see me? What most of the time you find say them just want to hype, them want to highlight. You see me? Them see TikTok see people and make money on it and want their which part, them the people there. So them feel like say them have to this, them the people that were up there. If you get a highlight, I want to tell me what to think about that. So I don't know if I left out also blinga my people. Cause Redance must be forward pan live and I say some things like say um him would analyze himself or some other sort there. Saying and blinga address the situation. So we are gonna get in our people. What are not hearing at the intro and I was seeing at the video. And maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So make we get in it.
restaurant is in DB, right beside the police station. No, right back at the police station. The right back at the police station. I think the Penny's Plaza, the plaza. Penny's Plaza, the plaza name. Where pizza place there? You can't miss the pizza. Come give me boss a support.
Hey, my people, you see, the youth our name Jagger, he maybe have him ways still, he maybe have dirty ways when it comes towards certain things, But he's a youth whenever look towards some type of upliftment, some type of progress. You see me I say, if if a most people, and them see say boy TikTok something a go on for them on TikTok in a look away. Them now come off, them a do away with them job what them have, and see this man a come so boom and still I do him job and they on TikTok same way. I love that because at the end of the day as a father you have to make sure say your youth them have the necessary things what them need. You see it? So big up to Jagger my people. Look what someone do.
like she will take red hands. Who remember? Long ago, from Anna just find red hands. And Annie and red hands can't agree. Who remember? Me don't want to say yes or no member in a camp, me like liar. Who remember? Thank God for the F1, my baby. Yeah, who remember? When I said Annie look like she will take her son-in-law. Alright. How it come to bump now? Annie did a flirt with the red hands. Annie move mountain, Annie move hill. Well, Annie, I'm going to tell you the truth. You see your behavior? It wasn't that long ago. No man lied in a long time. I said from him, from him get the jacket. From him get the jacket in a blood. Yeah, me attack it. For sure. Now remember what we still are saying. Say you mix up. Black man eat the video. You don't remember what you say, yes? Alright. No, but true. We didn't say no. Any behavior speak otherwise. We never tell like we believe brothers. Me believe brothers because it not give no traction, it not make it make a thing. We believe brothers and I understand the relationship between you and Anna and why the relationship between you and Anna so on. Yeah, we not tell no lie. Because we're not dirty family. No, Anna. We'll come back to that. Annie, oh, you say you're breed. All the internet, you can't tell the internet anything, you know? You know, you can't tell the internet anything. Because Annie could have never tell me say she a breed. So, come in the police. When you really go through that trish here with the internet, no say the wedding not real. I'm still not going to marry. No, trish say she dead in her hand, no funeral 9 nights and no set up and no wake. Can't keep. But moving right tell her because trish not dead. Because I don't know how everybody forget about trish all angel. Don't stop beg. Trish now by the berry. Trish now by the berry. Trish body supposed to have rotten now. Eh? Somebody understand. Somebody explain to me please. Trish body worry in dead in. Well, nevertheless, moving right along over Annie and I'm reading. Then Annie, if you and Lando are grind, and Anthony, and none of them now use condom for you and Gregory, Barbados, and you don't use condom, you have one who not use condom, you don't care about your strip. You have one who not use condom. Let me tell you, Annie now, in a real life before God and all mankind, in a real life, you can breathe, Annie. Annie, you can breathe. Tell me the truth after your belly full of so much air. You can really breathe. We just want to ask you something because people are really stupid, you know? And if police have 2 babies on the way, why the internet should I believe so they really are married? And you go fix up that script here. You and Jada conclude the vehicle key.
Me people, me no put nothing past. Me no put nothing past people still, you know. Me tell you this first and foremost, you know. Me no put nothing past people, whether woman or man. But me no think say Annie would have got there so when it come to fit take her daughter, man. You see me I say I think Red Auntie that say Annie did want him when him did just come in at the place, you know what I mean, and I move around. Then the time before him start talk to Anna. You see me I say she did want him them the time that you see me. So let me know what I think. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Who are going to get the vehicle key in them name? The time you still you say you go on right wheel. Who are going to believe I live in grand for the ring? Gonna waste more than that. Remember easy come, easy go. Eat with an egg powder. Not even hot water can bring back that nice steam. A powder that you know, we can't even whip that into puree. So I don't know where Anya come from, but she a breed. Anya na breed, leave the breeding to Anna, Zoe, Amika. Leave the breeding alone. You are breeding out. You're breeding licking in your back with the dandelish and the back, so you're out. You never know. Leave the breeding alone. When you hear about people that breed, just picture yourself as a nana. Yeah. Go breed. she need to come out and say a series. The real story is between she and she. They come in and Annie. Then what a way you attack about Chanel and you bad for Chanel and you not bad for your son Jagger. All me like Chanel, me chop in your face with a half a lass. Me now ask you Annie, me open up your forehead with a half a lass. I never shut my eye when me a chop you. Yeah, cause me not so fool. But open up your forehead with a half a lass. Me not telling a lie Annie. If you don't open your forehead, maybe your C-section really, because you have too much growth, too much fibroids you have. Yeah, me now ask you, my baby, what are we you bad for Chanel and Jagger him sit down like a big dirty worrying girl, and make you classy, but hey girl, go right off your face, go right off TikTok police bottom. Oh, you see how Chanel mouth look like it poisonous, me that bite you. Me that bite you. If me can't fight him, I bite you.
Lie.
What my baby? You know me the one want headache pill from you. One painkiller. Come a little body feel frosty. Alright, you can have it. I can't send you some money to Western Union. You know for already.
You want people to join again?
What you want you my business on the app?
Come. And tap in the argument.
Yeah.
How we trying to
The chicken onion, yeah. I miss the way that hurt me, huh? But when I come out this morning, I look for your vehicle over there.
They put it out the door.
Okay.
When I like them not blow, but them say burn off in the top.
Okay.
Extra strength.
This is not it.
Let's set them out.
Just set them out. This is never set them out. I don't want to give that deal.
Yes. Let it out.
Whatever we are talking about people on this, and you know me that's from the regular. Many of the people them go say in an XYZ.
Look, more people start.
Yeah, no. Me not like Chanel with a mouth like that, and you don't have to afraid that because me that appear young, me I do. Yeah, me grab onion in her face and leave one of my teeth in her face. Remember Jagger go with one of your finger, you can't leave things with the family. Remember Jagger take one of your finger and you want right off your face. Little girl, you're under abuse. But if you don't say you're under abuse, might as well me entertain you. Little girl, get up and do something. You don't have no family. You don't come with the family and you alone drop out of your mother. Your mother is a one pop. So you make Annie feel brave. Some things where Annie thought, I know Annie walk a talk, so she a breathe. Me that kick up Annie. Me that kick up the pig of them mother. Now let me that kick up the pig of them mother. And Annie have a bad mouth. You don't lick up on the bad side. Me not like Annie could have never sent so much strength to me. Eh? She could have never sent so much strength to me. Me wait until she now laid up on the bad side. Me take the peroxide and throw in her ears and lodge in her gum. And me a warm it in her like glycerine. Yeah. Yeah man, me a cure Annie. And Annie have a cuss with wriggles. Annie have a cuss with wriggles. Eh? Everybody Annie talk to, she have to talk to them with some minty. And she have to send straight to a liar, tell Chanel, with a mouth like where you have that must.
Alright, my people, so we're gonna run through that part, yeah. You know what I mean? We're maybe run through the rest of the video. You see, me not talk too much, so let me know what you think. Or watch some more.
With venom, bite, yeah, bite. If girl a bite, boy, and girl a bite, girl in her braces. Yeah. Me not understand the setup. Me not like it. It's not cute. It's not cute. So purple dead yet? When purple gonna die? Purple not dead yet?
Power off.
See there? Purple. They might lock you off. Purple not dead, but you cry over man. Some things, but you want to take your own life. You want to analyze yourself over man. Eh? What that spread on the app? What that really spread on the app? The purple. Purple, your favorite iron board. You shape like iron board. Nobody tell you say you shape good. If you true, you shape like ivy screw. Crazy, thank you. Wanna bring on the app? What you mean you feel a prank? Amora, what you mean you feel a prank? So you walk and buy things, you come out a rich family, you born with the whole of the spoon them in your mouth. Oh, you feel a prank. Then Amora, tell me the truth, Trip going like a girl, Purple going like a girl, you don't see that a lesbianism. They don't cannot cry for cry. Eh? They don't cannot cry for cry. They make body life ugly. But Tiki one purple, but Tiki did one purple hands. Me not lie. Me not know what I do know. But when me see, me just say yak. And I couldn't even find it funny, me just yak. When I got the bathroom, got throw for the food that me eat last week. Coming in there for 1 week of fasting. So I never eat nothing within the week when I watch you. So the last week food me bring up. Yeah, which gangster is. Yeah. Some things will be all up on the app, you know. Some things will be really all up on the app. It really what's that? When Martin sent me the video, I said, what's that? The vision alone chop me back. Not never chop me, I not chop them back yet. If I even for back off them hand, but that chop me, I have to hold it. Yeah. Then that's one of little back from desperate, man. One little back from lonely. Some things will dash up on the app, I can't stand up. I really can't stand. Some things that throw away on the app is really something. Where is Candy? Candy will want some new sound. Where Candy there? They not tell me say Candy run the border. Where is Bubble and Gum? Where Candy there? Candy! Where me go? Michelle, the daddy them love me by far. Who you, Annie? And who you? And who you? I in the restaurant you open, people know you. Where you cook your little food where you not nice. Where you dey try to see if you can cook. You dey try to see if you can cook. You dey try to see if you can cook. And remember, say I miss me a bad girl, me no back from body, you know. Sweat does run off from my body. Me say me love him body. That's why me no run up and down. Any man this a pussy I get you hold them. You hold them like tight grip. You hold them. Because guess what I have ambition. If a man give me $30,000, me go see me save it. Me save it, Annie. Me save it and try to say me can put on little. What do you me got going I told you know how much? And $37,000 me spend for me little boy. Not J Brown. Cause they gas school. I can't be shoes to buy. Me having shoes to buy and me don't buy shoes. Me having shoes to buy. And me don't buy shoes. Nobody worry yourself about the teeth. Cause the dentist so they build the teeth. And they build good teeth put in my mouth. So it's not time for a fling no teeth in my mouth. When me lock my mouth, my teeth out the door. They chop up my tongue, my lip. If you say me an idiot, me alright, you know. Me no miss none more for my bone. Cause I choke off few teeth in your mouth, no say good. Number one, the dentist will build your denture. One get sue. You need to sue. You need to take out a lawsuit film down a courthouse. Don't know where a man to be at town. And anyway, there. So how you can contact to me? Me never born with teeth. I saw so go me born with and me grow with it. But you have been ranting your mouth till it contaminate the whole blood clot Jamaica. It contaminate the whole Jamaica till a man where you live on with talk about it. And then you want to contact to me.
Cloth. And your pussy worth $5. $5 your pussy worth. Because you don't know what is this $5 worth. If you didn't know what is this $5 worth, you'd have used your head more better. You'd have used your head more better. You don't know what that $5 worth.
I'm mellow.
I don't like that too much. $5 worth too much. You worth less. Me that you know what you worth. Me that you know what you worth. And you want to go and chat to good girl.
Hello people. Yo, want to know listen with a woman here I cuss Annie about you. Everybody we cuss Annie say more think. The people who don't feel like say Annie more think for true. Or don't feel like it's just a habit when she always a chew a gum or she a suck a sweetie or something like that. Tell me in the comment section with people. And as it does that woman here, she a go say like some people mouth stink from inner them belly. You know what I mean? A throat, you know what I mean? Some woman have some type of like I don't remember what them call it and it make them mouth stink. Me buck up on one girl like that one time the people. Believe me. That stink mouth there. I know not normal. But more wanna tell me if any wanna think animals think for true or not.
You want to go and chat to good girl. You know worry yourself because the only thing me tell you now. The only thing me tell you now, you know, so me when time me talk for my video, you know, you me tell you say the only thing me say miss out of my mouth and my teeth. And then me spoil and me take them out and then they spoil bad. When I teeth in your mouth, I hurt you. And it contaminate, you must take it out. Or you use Listerine, or you use some form of soda, put in your mouth that it cause your bread, cause some of the bread sting from down and the belly bottom they come up. And not only toothache, and the toothache come up with the come bind up with it, make it worse. Me alright, Annie, look for me, me alright. Me have land right now, me can't give you a piece of land and say, Annie, go build one house and nobody not trouble you. And me they encourage you. If they go to you now look good, me they tell you. Me I tell you say, Annie, make it two we go buy so nice clothes and wear. And make it two we order so nice ear, human braid, human lace wig. Yeah, nice one. But you know, yes. Cause see there, me so take out this and put in on next one again. Me so take out and put in on next one. Cause guess what, I fit me and it nice. And me love it. Me look nice, look straight nose nice. And me look me sexy lips. What you have? What you have? What you have? The only thing you have across is for you and nice. And balling. And fucking problem. What you have? You in town later? Yeah. You can't want me, man. You can't want me. Me blend up all you in a blender. Show you in a blender and blend up like a pep. Blend up you like when you season pork. Yeah, me just season pork and blend up you because me no name pork. Me just blend up you and season it pork and give you name. Cause you come like a dog with vomit and name them won't vomit. Check yourself and see if you not wreck yourself. Check yourself and you wreck yourself. Yes, I am a big man and me 5-year-old and you are 3 or 4 years. You have nothing to do with that. But how you deal with yourself? How you deal with yourself? You know, see you carry down this place for yourself what you hear. How can me sex a man in a shop and cook and talk say boy, me shit pal other bag and enjoy it. No good man that. A good man that's why a boy if you use out your blood clot daylight and night time. A boy if you use out your pussy clot. A boy if you fuck you go fuck you come. And also use out your blood clot and then dump your back. Pull up in the yard, yeah. I don't trust nobody. A boy suck at me too and bite me body. I know me sister, are you? Are you sister? Hey. A boy suck at me too and bite your body. I know me sister. I bite your body. Look on the amount of thing where boy can bite. The boy can grab up your breast and suck and panny. The boy bite your body. So the body, the boy bite. And what you say? Low life boy. You won't serve. And you talk back to the star food boy. Mighty God! Ghost! Boy, you that thing could have go on 2 rounds. Eh? Yeah, you visit my man could have done with next man. Yeah, him buy the phone, can say him suck off into and bite him body. The boy suck off me too and bite me body. Eh? Say the boy bite your body, boy no bite your phone. I dey come tell him about suck out and robot phone. Nobody no suck me phone. This a front of firm, you know, so me in a ties. Check me ties. Check me ties. The ties when me go and make her. When rebel call me, big up rebel. When me call me, check the ties. Yeah. Cause you make him man good serve. Cause you don't have no, the man don't have no good nature of you. That's why a man will serve. No good nature of you.
Me not trouble nobody. I don't trouble nobody. Why couldn't I always see say me I trouble people? You never see me I talk to that the woman there yet? You never see me I call that the woman the name yet? Me never see the woman. The only thing me know is she put one video past social media. You never see me I trouble that the woman there yet? Guys, everybody, help me get his speech chat. None of you never see me I trouble that the woman there. So now I go say when me trouble now. You don't realize how much people they on social media fuck around me and make video about me. I'll candy to blood clot. I mean never fuck around candy. So now I go talk about who trouble blood clot bubbles. Me trouble bubbles? Guys, everybody me I beg gonna help me catch his speed. Now found no bias on this blood clot. Me not trouble the woman, me not see bubbles. Me don't even know see a bubbles she name.
Oh, 2 more roses, guys. 2 more.
Me didn't even see the woman. Me never even watch her video, her content. You see me? Right? Same Candy will sing this song. Me I talk about Candy. Me not talk about rainbow Candy. Me I talk about Candy. You see me? Candy will do up her body. Every one of them they palm me near. Me not trouble people. Nobody no see me at trouble bubbles. Me even know say this blood clot all fuck out woman name Bubbles. Me even know say so. She come out and she do a one song but say cocky enough dead. You see me? A all girl. You see me? And she this come out come get a one bus. When she not go look at one blood clot it song. Her song dead out no blood clot. So why make she not go look at blood clot it song? Her song still now gone away. So when she can't go find some lyrics and put something together, she dey on my blood clot name. Enough of them bumbo clot fuck out big woman they with young boy. Cause me sure know say Bubbles sell pussy and they with young boy. So fuck she come from my name for bro.
Look up on the screen. Remember, the link is in the bio if you want to support the GoFundMe. As we said before, it's for my sister's son. He has epilepsy, guys, and we're trying to raise $800. We have 1 more day.
I'm not talking truth to blood free because Bubbles, what Bubbles have to do with my life? May I sleep on Bubbles' face?
Yeah, and Annie's also helping us, guys.
Bro, miss, pause the live. Pause me so you can't hear me.
Oh man, you're good, Annie man.
Oh.
You're good man.
Oh my god. She's so
Have you the look all bitch I look with her civil crutches? You know see how much time she come on social media come skin out her big hole. She all of them blood clot me. And she do over there and skin out her big old trench. You understand me? What the fuck she have a problem? Oh, she have a problem with me if me want fuck young boy. That have nothing to do with her. Me dey on her forehead. Me dey on her eyelash. Me come over there beg her something. Me come beg her some caramel. Me come beg her some sugar. So who that drunk her there? Yo, I go where the woman there for go. And that me I tell you, she will thank God they look at one tune come bust pan blood clot TikTok. And that she for do. She will thank God they look at blood clot tune come bust pan TikTok and she can't find a next blood clot song. Nothing now blood clot go on for her. Oh. She got talk about my man a 23-year-old. My man not 23, my man a 16 blood clot year old. Is a 16-year-old boy me a there with. Tell him for go down a station. Come on, if I'm me the first big woman who there with a blood. 24 your blood clot. You wish if him at 24. A whole of una dead for know him age. And that me I tell you, 24 your blood clot you not too enough. That is it. What that have to do with this stinking blood clot woman? Eh? When she not got blood clot, look something for do her go find a good song. Eh?
Hey, my people, me I wonder why these people I give a youth a TikTok base. Why them a give him such a young Yeah. This a youth here from you look on him, you know, say him not there in a no way in that the age group there where people are saying is. You see me I say that the man they a big man. Him and Annie maybe in the same age group are close. A big boy, big man. You see me I say a big man from you look on him you know say a big man. A young boy. Man a young boy. Let me know what you think. Tell me, how to guess him age, my people.
Tell him if we go to my station. Tell him say what you call the word when you're there with underage. Yes, go to my station and tell him say I'm a pedophile. Tell him that I'm a pedophiler. Tell him somebody that 16-year-old boy. By the way, I'm not reach 16 yet, I'm a 15. Or up and go call him mama and him papa. Call CDA, call the FBI, call the SWAT team, call the ambulance, call the whole army. Drunk crow. You get up in the morning and can't find something to do, you dip on my blood clot name. Bright and fierce and stink. Me see the stinking blood clot, sybil crutches all woman. Every day she walk and jump it tights in her pussy and part her pussy and make cut. Eh? Me see this blood clot all tough kin big woman. Every time she come from blood clot social media, she jump it tights in her pussy and make her pussy then part up like a shark cut. She can blood clot chat to me. Think no blood clot. Me see this look a dirty bumbo clot wear out big woman. Every day what tell people to come off of my blood clot name because now hypocrite. On a blood clot hypocrite because you hear people that put me name and this me like a dog and when me ready for open my mouth, the whole lot ready for jump down for me. When me ready for defend myself, all of ready for jump down for me, blood clot, and like me a soft soap. Me not for what me mouth, me not for say nothing. Who is Bubble? The old sucker, dry out, swivel crutches woman was singing song was say cocky enough in the head. Me love man with pretty body head. Yeah, that same simple big woman there. She all of them blood clot me. Me sure say Bubbles all of them blood clot me. And Bubbles come on TikTok, come get a one bus when she come sing that song there to blood clot. It dead out in space of 1 month. The song dead out in space of a month. So why she not gonna find a hit song? Why should they put my name to get a little views? Eh? What have to do with him? Bubbles, the man there in my house, and him there right here so with me, Bubbles. Right here so the man there with me. Since it a kill your drunk crow. Cause me sure no say no we not beg your blood clot. Nothing you talk about man and yam blood. No found the blood. Take money on my blood clot, man. What the fuck you watch my pocket for? Eh? Wanna see me on my no blood clot, man, drunk crow?
Guys, as we have said before,
Man, if you have blood
go ahead
clot,
and click the link in my bio, guys. Please and thanks.
Come over here, sir, blood clot. Come call up my blood clot name. You man did I know? Right? None of uno never see me disrespect this woman before. I never. Ever. Me didn't even know say yesterday me know say she named Bubbles. Last night. Last night me find out say the woman named Bubbles, guys. And last night me didn't know yo, me say all she sing her song, me no watch her. Me no see her. Me no know her. Me she come out and come talk about oh me there with boy where same age as my son. Bro, you say things we not talk and you don't know. You better you go sit down. I better wanna go sit down. Cause you just a chat things wanna do blood clot no. And even if me a fuck a 23-year-old, what that have to do with she? My son can't say anything where he wants say. My son a liar. My son is a 2000 baby. My son born 2000. The man where me are there with, surely no born in a no way in a blood clot 2000. You see me? My son can say anything where he wants say to no. Not go run with anything where people say. Say if you don't want to run with it, you don't run with it. You understand me? People who really know him know say him not 23-year-old. Him and Jagga not same age. Jagga born 2000. He born November the 20. When this man a blood clot born? Eh? See there, people in our blood clot comment section are comment it. You can't tell me from whom I want there with. Right now him too old for me. Right now him too old for me. And that me I tell you. Right now him too old. Me need something younger. Yeah, he is 24 years old. He is 24 years old, guy. I don't know me now go tell no lie. I don't know Jaga 24 years old. The man when me are there with are not 24 years old. It no matter. And my choice. Say if him at 27, 28, 29 is my choice. I don't know body choice out here so. So me don't know how it come to be a problem. 25 year bumble wall. I want to know.
People, wanna make me know what you think in the comment section. We're gonna hear what Jabass have to say about the whole Annie and the woman situation. You see me?
It not supposed to be a problem to none of uno. Right? Uno just mix up and blood clot now. Look under the big fuck out, done out, stretch out, blood clot, trench hole woman. Eh? That the woman that older than me. That the big old fuck out, done out, trench out, blood clot woman was so good like a dog. I come blood clot, come chat to me. You smarty woman? Ya blood clot smarty? Eh? Bubbles will sell pussy like a dog. We suck dick like a jazz bomb. Hey. I suck good woman, ya man. Well, fuck you take a set pa me for. You go like you know all time, long time blood clot whore. You come out, you say you get a one tune bus. Focus on your blood clot career. You come out, you up on TikTok. See there in your all age bubbles. You get a look of bus. In your all age, you get a look of boss. So why you not focus on your blood clot career instead of you focus on blood clot me? Eh? We are going to continue there. It a go burn on a blood clot. Remember me tell you, we are going to continue there. We go continue there. Because you know, say them same one go out there and tell people, oh, me a mind blood clot, man. When me have a mind, man. When me have a mind blood clot, man. Eh? Relationship go both ways. And even if me there saw me have to spend blood clot something for my man, no, you not supposed to have a problem too, no. Even if me there saw me want to spend something for my blood clot, man, of course. It not supposed to be a problem to nobody out there. So how now take it up on a blood clot head? Think like a blood clot dog. No found a blood clot hypocrite. I think me I live for none of uno. Me not live my life for none of blood clot uno. Me not live my life for please none of blood clot uno. You see me? Come lick me with your blood clot tongue. Come lick me from top to blood clot bottom. I dance if you can't get the age. You dance no blood clot. You see me? Uno turn pa me, pity them. I saw no continue bully all of my blood clot family. As me come on pan blood clot social media. Uno not bully no body man. Uno not bully nobody else. More than you come and bully blood clot me. But me mama tell you to say, me not gonna blood clot. We go suck on the mother and come off of my page. Mika. None of uno can bully blood clot me. Me and uno pan this. Guys, everybody drop a rose. I beg uno. Me and uno pan this blood clot. Yeah, me now got no blood clot way. Me dry eye no blood clot. Look pan me. Uno feel like uno can come and so come bully me and run. Me now go no way. I know found a mama fuck young boy. I know found a mama fuck blood clot young boy drunk crow. All of the big deep old blood clot thinking blood clot woman there. A young boy she a fuck. So oh she have a blood clot problem. Eh? Oh she have a problem with me. Me never know say she get my pussy. Me never know say me a pay some tax to my all. Eh? Bubbles go suck out your mama big thinking woman. Big thinking or wrinkle body blood clot woman. Your wrinkle no blood clot. Come on from a blood clot named Drunkro. You all till your blood clot Sybil. Your mildew no blood clot. You depend my blood clot name. And who you? If your body not turn good, you can't get a blood clot, young boy. If your pussy not stay good, you can't hold a blood clot, young boy. Know that. You have to have something good for all a blood clot, young boy, Drunkro. Maybe you don't come from my blood clot name and one time I talk now, no one come talk about any this, any that, any ray, anything. So me fit take bullying 24/7. Call one of the girl penny them for me now.
Baby?
Call one of the girl penny them for me.
Them come now. My boy.
That thinking woman you come like a Riverton blood clot dump. Eh? That big old woman you come like a old big like a barrel. Old barrel old woman. When you go tighten up your crutches. Eh? If your pussy big, go sew up your pussy. Don't find no problem with me, Drunkro. Because you're all-time, long-time blood clot whore. You're an all-time, long-time blood clot whore. Only two blood clot bad mind pan the app. That's how no problem. When you not get no blood clot views on no turn pan blood clot people. Cause me not trouble you. Me no see you. Me no call your name. Me no know your name. Me no know you. Me no even know your song. So the fuck you take a set for me dog shit? You can't talk about me. Well, you is a big woman, Bubbles. Bubbles, you a big woman. And you sit down and kin out your pussy on social media, Drunkro. You sit down and kin out your big thinking blood clot hole. Your big drummer hole where you kin out. Eh? And I show to the whole world. Eh? Singing about sucking cocky like a dog. And you talk about me, good girl, Annie? Girl, oh, Pat Fair come check out Skeckle. You idiot. You blood clot idiot woman. When me ever trouble you? When me ever call your blood clot name? Eh? You come like some dog shit with jackfruit blood clot seed in it. Hey, give me one of some. This too small. You come like some blood clot dog shit with peas grain in it. You come like some dog shit where in a son at Drunkro. Go suck your blood clot mother. And that me I tell you from front to back. You depend my blood clot name. You want views? See the views there. Because all of the song them where you put out it now go no blood clot way. You don't see your song flop out. You don't see your song flop out. In space of a month blood clot big old Bubbles. Your tune flop out no blood clot. Go and go find a hit blood clot song because the one that never go no blood clot way. Who you? Who blood clot you? Me always a keep. Me ever blood.
People, when you hear what I said, though, enough of them people that will come on social media and cuss these TikTokers. Them life no better than the TikTokers them own. You see me I say? And me say this, and I say it again. Enough of them are just a look a buzz. Enough of them just a look a name on TikTok. And them know say money can make on TikTok. So them go after who popular. You understand me I say? Although everybody have a pick for Annie and she and her family still, but make me know what to think with people. I want some more.
Blood clot keep thinking woman. Big thinking stretch out all woman. Me ever blood clot keep. I mean make blood clot teeth in your pussy make no young boy no want you. I mean make teeth in your blood clot pussy make no young boy no want you, Drunkro. Eh? You come and say I call up my blood clot name. Nika. You come talk about every day. You don't want to come over here, sir. Bully me, bully me, bully me, bully me, bully me, bully me. Eh? Every day you no company up a bully blood clot me. Eh? I'm a techie. So if you just sit down, me not sit down with it. Me not go sit down with it when this woman is an old blood clot woman with older than me. Bubbles, me sure say you older than blood clot me. Me sure say you older than blood clot me, Bubbles. And me sure you sell pussy like a dog. And me sure you fuck young boy. Eh? So me no know a blood clot you come over here so come talk about me blood clot fool. You feel glad TikTok boss you. In your old blood clot sibling age. In your old blood clot sibling age you feel glad TikTok boss your pussy. Keep on track. Keep on blood clot track. You drop off a track. You can't even find a good lyrics. Nobody now listen to your song them again, John Crow. Your song dead out in space of a month. You flop no blood clot. Eh? You don't see who you deal with. Call me name and you get via blood clot views, big pussy woman. And that's the reason why enough of we get fucked, because we are run down people for what them have and what we see them with. Enough of we come yourself to live. And not everybody come yourself for rich. Cause enough of we if we did rich, enough of no gone already, no lose on no life. You understand me? So sometimes when I have to thank the Almighty and said, yes, I yes, so him put me. And he's gonna make me do better, and I'm gonna do better for myself. Some more when I'm gonna bet with a brother or a sister, a bad man, a boy or a girl for him things. Don't do that. Because Father God know your road. And know you write the journey and him do it. You understand? Right? So any level Father God put me, I that's some me there with him.
Magwan.
Tell me now.
And then me there I run too, you run none.
Yeah, you know me run too with them. I just sit there and talk with my chat. Guys, we can't go run one.
Go over foreign woman. Go over foreign woman a while ago. We speak back a Kalama Lake. That lick steam off from that blood clot. The first 2-3 match them close, you know. Let's match them make you with one a blood clot.
Let go, let God. Amen, amen. I'm there, so where you trim up I go? Chat, me I beg on some taps, guys. Double tap.
At the party you meet in the boy, when you say that come here, you beg to see your number that come.
and about that, me say me now about that come, and that's some school thing me I feel focus on, you know, yeah, Jabass.
Yeah, boy, you know,
you know, me beg me chat any look at thing, but it says stuff true.
Yeah, but you know with the outside is made of respect, dollar, you know that.
That's true, that you know, say God no accurate there, so kill me and say you want to come down there. So might as well let's see we show.
Yeah, man, can't forward, man. Go.
Yeah, baby, double tap, chat. Yeah, baby. Good morning, good morning, baby.
Annie, hold on the
Good morning.
So many comments a while ago, first triple.
Yeah, you didn't see it. Yeah, double you get.
Chat, now ramp with the badness in the chat. Man, chat. Man, me kill one on over here, you know.
That be nice, Bog. Kill. Chat, double tap.
Our bubbles are trouble your part.
Me not do bubbles no.
Argue with him, making go in a studio go find blood clot one hit song, artist and TikTok. We bomb clot they come over your part.
Ada, me over here
go in a studio go find song, no one argue with him.
Right? Me done with him, man. Me not no more say to that.
Right now, you have to back your thing right now.
Right? And that me there say look of views him a look because nobody now look at him. Him sing one song. Well, she sing a song and bet you a month to write it or lesser than a month to flap out. Guys, everybody Jabass chat. Come on, chat. Eat first to me a bigger rose, guys. 9 rows.
Go find 2 hit song, man. I stick to your blood clot artist thing and loud. Hey, I'll come back and fuck with before work with him.
In bright off here. I run when we running away and done with him right there. So look a bit.
One rose.
And get making go on with it. Thank you, baby. Guys, double tap. Love yourself. Love Queen. Bad
one rose.
Some pan a triple, guys. Everybody use the triple chat.
That if you not send one more with my thumb on the mouth. Oh, you're lucky.
See what they look bad up your people in Jabass.
Baby, them man, so man, man. Sexy tell you what I will teach you for gift. Thank you. Chat to take you 7 nuggets now, please.
No chat, guys, help me 7 nuggets. Chat.
Take you 7 nuggets to the chat, please.
Jennifer there. Jennifer beg your snipe, baby. Love, thank you, guys. Shoot for the triple chat. Shoot for the triple. We have 7 nuggets.
Triple chat, triple take you nuggets.
Thank you, Thank you, baby. Come on, chat. Shoot for me, chat. Shoot. Come on, guys. Protect your nuggets.
Take your nuggets, them chat.
Protect your nuggets, chat. Come on, guys. Chat, give me a money gun. We can get a money gun. 1 money gun, chat. 1 money gun, chat. 1 money gun, our galaxy. User, thank you, baby. Queen, big up yourself, baby. Come on, chat.
Evans.
Come on, chat. Give me a money gun. 1 money gun, our galaxy. Jabass. See me. Good morning.
How that Zoe?
Jabass not here.
Me cut you off Zoe, because I'm tired of here, fam.
You look weird.
Then if you go on him, I go on him.
Drop a glove. Guys, I can't make Jabass get in there first. I look for my friend over there, so Queen 909, big up yourself, baby. Hey, Queen,
where your friend?
baby.
I wear your friend, Anis.
Eh? I want to link, man. Where yourself, man? I see you, man. Number 3 gift, number 2 gift. I want to link them to, you know, my people.
I'm an uncle, man. I'm a mother, brother.
Alive.
Yes. That's right.
Guys, use the gloves, chat. Thank you, baby. Thank you for the gloves.
Chat, come.
Guys, on the shoot. No rose, chat. Thank you, baby. Come on, chat. Shoot panic glove.
They don't have it.
Yo, but Jabass gloves are block for people them. Guys, shoot panic gloves are for me, chat.
They say they don't have it.
Chat, shoot panic to me. Love you, baby. Want
They say they don't have it. They don't have it, chat. I tell them, when people have it, you know, they have gloves that are shoot up land there.
Come on, chat, guys. Give me a snipe.
Chat, we don't have a snipe.
Snipe.
They say we don't have a snipe, chat. They don't have it. I tell them, we don't have a snipe. I tell them, many thanks.
Me bulky shot, guys. Really?
Yes. Every day we come over here.
My people them so you.
I tell you, I better get one glove there. Chatty, big up yourself, my uncle. Mini.
7 nuggets.
Dan and DJ, man, big up yourself. 60 talent, come here.
Thank you, man. 8. Thank you, baby K.
Tanya, I'm going to go on the road. Tanya, I'm going to go on the road. Tanya, please.
Big up yourself, user.
Go around.
Mickey, bless. Thank you, everybody. May I try, guys? Everybody come together, chat.
And big and serious.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. As I say, enough of them people we are trouble these people where they, you know what I mean, like in the limelight or in the spotlight on TikTok. Them just want some highlight too. So who better for trouble? Who better for cuss? You see me I say? So you have to know who to give your energy to. Sometimes you don't even answer them because the answer when you answer them, you give them a buzz. You see me? Let me know what you think.
I love you as a mother, you know. You see some people when they come, bro, and a big problem with the bro, and you see a problem I pick with the bro. You know, but I give them a time I move, bro, because it's a little thing now where from your heart, and you go with things and you like to use, bro, you got people who come
yeah.
and chat with you. They don't hear it, you know.
Yeah. But they
just want to chat with you because they know you can answer them.
Yeah.
And when you answer them now, a little traffic will go on both sides now, so they get a little piece side. So sometimes you have to ignore the post.
Yeah, me understand.
Yeah,
I'm going to talk this morning, I'm just low way, you know?
Because sometimes people will sit there and support. So sometimes they're not really in a mood for
I walk me back and push him already.
Yeah. You have time when they love you and you have next time when they can't bother with your blood clot.
Yeah, for true. Me see that because none of my people them want me to cut their run gun Jabass, you know why?
Yeah, man. Sometimes they can't bother with you. Sometimes they can't bother with you, I tell you. And when next time they love it. So you have to know when they love and when they don't love. You have to really comment.
True, me understand.
You see, when you comment them a girl for both of them, they just dark up a shit. When you see comment now means they just love. When you see comment down is you keep them a dark up a shit, just dark up a shit.
Alright,
yeah, true. Yeah, but when you see you give them there, they just want to look for entertainment and show, bro. You laugh.
You know, they look a nice time. Why Jabass, me not like you doing it. Me just say so, me not fasting nobody, you know. I so said so done, you know, then dip on me, you know.
But you're hot.
You're hot. Too much brother, then too much Jabass.
How do that? Bro, you reach. Wait, bro.
Come on, chat. Let me catch your speed, chat.
Bro, wait, bro. Catch your speed, boss. 13 rows team.
Catch your speed.
13 person, 1 rose. Yo, leave. Hold on, leave.
Come on, guys. Everybody, drop a rose, chat.
13 person, 1 rose team.
13 person, 1 rose. 13 person, 1 rose, chat. Thank you, baby. Queen, thank you. Hey, Queen 909, thank you. 13 person, 1 rose, chat.
Chat, me can't take your ram to go do.
Come on, guys. Everybody, drop a rose. Thank you, baby.
It's any of follow TikTok. Me I got pressure from a young state.
Love, thank you.
Me I got love to know over here, you know.
Come on, guys. Everybody, drop a rose, chat.
13 rose
team. Thank you, baby.
Every day me come over here and get short.
3 more.
13 rose team.
3 more, chat.
Bumbo clock, God. Chat, 2 more.
Come on, chat. See that. Thank you, baby. You catch it?
Thanks.
Alright.
Triple now. Lee, I know you're shooting.
Triple.
Shoot now.
Triple.
Everybody
Triple. Come on,
Your
chat.
face.
Shoot on the triple, chat.
You know about that pretty girl in the
Shoot on
family.
the triple. Queen. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Who is that? King, big up yourself. Thank you. Come on, chat. Shoot on the triple, chat.
But the team, don't give up.
Triple, chat.
Lily, simple, just don't give
Come on,
up.
chat. Shoot. Use a triple.
Lily,
Thank you, baby. King, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Give me a follow.
Galaxy, you know, bro.
Come on, chat. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for that. Hey, Jabass. Me know you are focused, but Auntie, beg your snipe now, please. Auntie Elma, beg your snipe. Jabass.
Chat the triple are done.
Come on, guys. Give me a snipe. Love, big up yourself, guys. Everybody, come together, chat.
King good, man.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Queen with the finger eye, thank you so much. King, thank you for the donut, guys. Everybody, come together.
Bro, that come in late, bro. Father, that come in late, Lee. I'm shoot for the double, bro. That come in late.
Double tap, chat. Nikki Bless, thank you.
Lee, have you sent 2 more of them quick before it done, Lee?
Give me a money, go.
Lee, look for one wheel, Lee. Lee, look for one wheel, bro.
I'm going to snipe it.
Lee, look for one wheel. I would have the gloves a while ago again. I will get gloves. The person will get the gloves, choppy gloves. The person will get the gloves, choppy gloves. I will get the gloves a while ago again.
King, thank you.
The person will get the gloves. Haven, choppy gloves, yeah. See gloves, touch the gloves and shoot.
Come on.
Lee, touch the gloves, Lee, and shoot. Timon, touch the gloves now, please.
King, thank you, baby.
Everybody, Minnie, touch the gloves.
Come on, guys. Guys, drop a glove.
You girl, where you drop roses for my gloves for Janelle? I'm a pussy and a girl.
Queen 909.
Hey, boy from here, man, I'm boy. Chat, gloves and shoot, please. Touch the gloves and shoot the team.
Come on, the team. Everybody. Focus on the chat. Come on, guys. See that. Give me a snipe.
Chat with the near. They're gonna snipe team.
They're gonna snipe, chat.
Team. Whoop.
Come on,
shoot the team, shoot.
Come on, chat. Give me a galaxy. Give me a
galaxy. Don't stop. Wait for the last second. Shoot.
Snipe, chat. Snipe.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, team. Focus with me. Focus with me, chat. Snipe. Snipe. Come on, chat. Jaja, move in the back.